I use AI to copy this Faceless YouTube channel that has gained over 1.38 billion views by uploading simple but engaging videos about horror and scary stories. With an average RPM of $8, this Faceless YouTube channel has made a whopping more than $10 million from ad revenue alone. In this tutorial, I am going to copy their entire strategy step by step that they use to blow up on YouTube. If you take a closer look at this channel, you will see there is a big reason behind its virality and success. That reason is their secret upload strategy that helps them get millions of views on every video they upload. I will reveal this secret upload strategy at any part of this video, so make sure to watch the video until the end and support the channel by hitting those beautiful like and subscribe buttons. The first step is setting up a brand new YouTube channel, but I know all of you already know how to do that, so let's skip this part. Now here's where it gets exciting. If you want to start making money from your very first video, then congratulations, because now it's no longer just a dream, it's absolutely possible. Thanks to this secret website where you can buy pre-monetized YouTube channels, you can now skip the long waiting and start earning right away. I've also put the link to this website in the description. You can also use the code TR77 for an exclusive discount and also to support the channel. Thanks. The second step is finding the perfect video topic. To do this, open DeepSeek and paste this special prompt. I've added the link to this prompt in the description for you. What's amazing about this prompt is that every time you use it, DeepSeek will generate 10 unique and spine-chilling video ideas. And not just that, it also gives you important details to consider while creating your video. Once you paste the prompt, simply hit the generate button. If you don't like the first batch of ideas, no worries. Just ask DeepSeek AI to regenerate even more. For this video, I'm choosing this amazing topic, which is about top 3 ghost towns with dark and disturbing pasts. Now, once you have the video idea, it's time to create an actual video. To create these type of videos, you have 2 options. The first method is manual method, and the second method is automated. In manual method, you have to use DeepSeek or ChatGPT to write a script. Then you have to use 11 Labs for text-to-speech, which costs around $22 a month. You have to use Runway ML for creating relevant short clips that cost around $95 a month. Storyblocks cost around $60 a month for finding relevant stock footage and clips. You have to spend about $10 on Epidemic Sound for background music and $10 for using any AI video editor and more than 10 hours on editing each video, which will cost you around $197 and 100 plus hours every month to create these videos. And I know that many of you guys are either studying or doing jobs, and some of you are absolutely tight on budget. That's why instead of wasting hours and hundreds of dollars on manual method, we will use the automated method to create the videos. For this purpose, we will use an amazing AI video generator that can create videos longer than 10 minutes absolutely from scratch. You can find the link to this tool in the description. After clicking on the link and signing up, you will see an interface like this. Here you can directly paste the prompt if you want, but I won't recommend you to do this because many of you cannot get the perfect result from this option. So instead of this, we will use this option which says workflows. Simply click on this option and then you will land on this page where you can select the dozens of different templates. We will go with something like Faceless Explainer because we are going to create a long faceless video. Simply click on it and then you see this type of thing. First, you have to select the duration of the video. I always recommend going with 10 minutes to maximize your ad revenue. I will go with 3 minutes because this is just a tutorial video. Then, you have to select the platform for which you want to create a video. You can choose TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. I will definitely select YouTube. After this, you have to type in your video idea. So go back to DeepSeek and copy the video topic that DeepSeek has given us. Then, return to this AI tool and paste that video idea here. You also need to add some relevant information related to that topic. So again, go back to DeepSeek AI, copy the other relevant information it has provided, and paste it into this box. Next, you have to select what type of visuals you want to use in your video. If you want to create the video completely from scratch, select only AI-generated clips. Otherwise, you can choose only stock media as well. Then, click on background music and specify the type of background music you want for your video. I will write something like horror, scary, and mysterious because that's what the channel we are copying is also using. Now you have to select the language of your video. I will choose English, but remember that you can create videos in almost all major languages using this AI tool. After that, select your AI voice. I will go with a male voice with a southern accent. Once everything is set up, simply hit the continue button. Then, this tool will give you an overview of your prompt. Simply hit the generate button and the tool will start creating the video for you. Before generating the video, it might ask you a few more questions. You can select any options you like and hit the generate button again. The tool will take some time to produce the video. Now, before I reveal the final video, let's break down the secret upload strategy this YouTube channel uses to skyrocket its growth. If you take a closer look at their content schedule, you'll notice something interesting. They consistently upload just 4 to 5 videos every month. This might seem like a small number, but there's a powerful reason behind it. Here's how it works. Every time you upload a new video, the YouTube algorithm begins testing it by showing it to different groups of people to figure out who finds it engaging. This testing phase is crucial because it helps YouTube understand the right audience for your content. But remember that this important process takes time. So if you start uploading videos every single day, the algorithm doesn't get enough time to fully test each new upload. As a result, your videos might not reach the right audience, and you'll often end up with fewer views than you expected. The algorithm simply can't give proper attention to each video if you're constantly flooding your channel with new content. That's why I always recommend keeping a steady but strategic upload schedule, a maximum of 6 high-quality videos per month. This gives the algorithm the breathing room it needs to push your videos to the right viewers while maintaining consistency on your channel. So, if you want to grow your YouTube channel like this one, focus on quality over quantity. Stick to a well-paced upload strategy and let the algorithm work its magic. Now let's take a look at the video we generated using this amazing AI video generator.
Hey there, folks. Are you all ready to dive into the chilling world of haunted ghost towns with dark and disturbing pasts? Grab your flashlight, and let's explore 3 of the creepiest places that'll send shivers down your spine. First up, we have the infamous town of Centralia, Pennsylvania. Back in 1962, a coal mine fire ignited beneath the town, and it's been burning ever since. The ground is hot to the touch, and toxic gases waft through the air. Imagine walking down empty streets with smoke billowing from cracks in the ground, and old, abandoned houses standing as silent witnesses to the town's slow death. Legends say that the spirits of miners who perished in the fire still roam the area, their anguished cries echoing through the night. Next, we take a harrowing trip.
Looks good, doesn't it? If you want to change anything in the video, you can ask this tool to adjust it, and you can also use the edit option to tweak any part of the video. You can change or replace anything you like. Once you're happy with the result, simply hit the download button. But remember, to download the video without a watermark, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. You can also get 50 free minutes on InVideo AI by using the link and discount code available in the description. That's it. Thanks for watching.